How to transfer Wix to Wix Studio. So if you want to have a site like this created on Wix Studio, what we can do is we can head over right here into our actual dashboard. So you have several ways to actually keep track of it. So for example, if you have a site right here created from our actual Wix editor, then you can head over to that particular site and then access it from there. So as you can see right here into this site, although I have created it into our Wix editor, it already shows the Wix Studio icon. This means that it's actually been transferred to that already. Now, you might be asking, how did that happen? I didn't even click anything. So, so I got a new memo from our actual Wix that on January 2025, which is around 3 months ago, Wix has already changed Editor X and transitioned to Wix Studio. That means that all Editor X sites, just like we have shown you earlier, are updated to the new Studio Editor without affecting their live performance. So that also means that you won't be able to create editor X site anymore or ordinary Wix site because it will all be created under the Wix Studio. So that's how you actually transfer Wix to Wix Studio. Hope we helped.